Hey everyone, Professor Baldwin here. Today we're asked to solve this equation using the quadratic formula. Remember, you need your quadratic in standard form in order to use that quadratic formula. And standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we need to distribute on the left-hand side. That gives us 2x squared minus 6x equals 2. Now subtract 2 from both sides, and we have 2x squared minus 6x minus 2 equals 0. Now we have our quadratic in standard form. So now we can identify our values for a, b, and c. A here is a value of 2, b is negative 6, and c is negative 2. Then, using your quadratic formula, x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, you'll just substitute your values for a, b, and c into that formula and solve for x. For us, negative b is a negative 6. Plus or minus b squared is negative 6 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 2 over 2 times 2. Then we start simplifying. Negative 6 is a positive 6. Plus or minus square root of 36. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Times negative 2 is a positive 16. And our denominator is 4. Let's simplify the radicand, and we get 6 plus or minus the square root of 52, all over 4. Now, 52 is not a perfect square, but there is a perfect square in 52. 52 is made up of 4 times 13. So we can take the square root of 4. That gives us 6 plus or minus 2 square root of 13 over 4. Now we need to simplify this, but you have to remember that your numerator here has two terms. It has the 6 and it has the 2 square root of 13. So you can think of it as two separate fractions. 6 over 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 13 over 4. And you can simplify it that way. So 6 over 4 simplifies to 3 halves. And 2 square root of 13 over 4 simplifies to the square root of 13 over 2. Because the 2 and the 4 simplify to 2 and 1, right? And the 6 and the 4 simplified to 3 and 2. Then you can put it back together into one fraction of 3 plus or minus the square root of 13 over 2. That's as far as this one can go because the square root of 13 isn't a perfect square. And if you calculate the square root of 13 with your calculator, you're actually approximating or rounding the answer. And we don't want to do that. We want the exact answer. So you need to leave it in simplified radical form.